How to clone Telegram desktop. So if you want to clone Telegram desktop, then you just need to simply go with your search, and under search you need to search for Telegram. Right click on it, go with open file location, and again right click on it, again go with open file location. Now you need to go with the roaming section, which is here on the left side, and here you need to go with Telegram desktop. Copy this and then paste it right here. Once you've copy pasted, now you need to go with the second one, which is copied. You need to go with rename and rename this as Telegram desktop 1 and hit the enter. Now you need to just open up Telegram desktop 1, and here you will have the Telegram option, right? So you just need to simply right click on it and make sure that you have set that as a shortcut. So if you click on the Telegram desktop 1, it will take you to the application, right? And again, if you go with the roaming section, and here you will have Telegram desktop, which is main, you can double click on it. Then you can again go with the Telegram desktop and again click on it, and it will open the Telegram desktop again. As you can see that here on the bottom, you will have 2 Telegram applications. You can simply go with switch to any one of these, and you can add an account on this one and the other account on this one. So you will have 2 applications like this. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.